Right, so today I was sent in this product by a company called Divoom. Now this is the Ditoo or Ditoo, I'm not entirely sure how to pronounce it. Bluetooth speaker, but it's a bit more than just a Bluetooth speaker. This is a retro pixel Bluetooth speaker. Now if you don't understand exactly what that is, let me show you, because this is something really cool. And I think a lot of people out there are going to be pretty blown away by this product. So this is how it comes. So it comes in this nice little carry case made out of plastic with a nice little see-through transparent plastic window and a nice little rubberized handle, so you can carry it about, you know, take it where you want and so forth. Also comes with a nice little gift bag as well, but I'll put that to the side. So you open up the case, clicking that button there, and then here is the actual speaker itself. So let's take it out of its plastic cover. You've got a bunch of plastic all around it as well. Just take off all these little protective seals, put them there. So that is the speaker itself. Now you're probably looking at it and you can straight away tell that this is a bit different. What else do you get? You get a USB-C, I think it is, cable. We'll just double check. Should be USB-C, is it USB-C? It is a USB-C cable for charging, and you get a bunch of stickers, little pixel art stickers, and a manual instruction book, and yeah, some more stickers. So you're going to put all that to the side because we're interested in the speaker. So here it is. Now, first impressions, really good build quality. I can't explain how good it is. I mean, even the rubberized feet at the bottom here really sticks well. You can hear that deep thump it has. It sticks really nicely to a table or to any surface. On the side here you have a micro SD slot, on-off button, and a USB slot to charge it. You got the subwoofer at the back, the main speaker at the top here. You got a pretty nice, cool, retro-looking screen, and a bunch of these buttons here. So what do all these do? Well, let me explain. So that's how it looks like. It looks really cool and retro. This would look awesome, you know, sitting absolutely anywhere, on your desk, at your workstation, wherever it might be, even on the bedside table, in the kitchen, wherever you might want to put it. It will look absolutely fantastic there. It's got a really nice sort of hard shell plastic. It's like a really premium quality plastic to it. Really top quality. I'm already loving the design of it, but I'm going to go ahead and show you its party piece. So I'm going to hook it up via Bluetooth to my phone. Now this is all pretty standard stuff. So first things first, let's switch it on. I'm going to hook it up via Bluetooth. There we go. And now we can play music. So I'm going to go ahead and go onto YouTube. Let's type in some royalty-free music. Some music. You've got the volume up buttons here on the side. And listen to that quality. Really good quality. Extremely loud as well. I mean, that is extremely loud. That's not even at full volume. That's full volume. And it doesn't distort the music. It can go really loud and it doesn't distort the actual sound quality. I'm talking as a Bluetooth speaker, this is one of the best I've come across in terms of sound quality. Really good sound. It's got a nice deep bass to it, real clarity in the vocals and the other instruments coming from the main speaker. Construction is amazing, but that's not its party piece. Now you probably noticed as it was playing music that some stuff was appearing on the screen. So I can go ahead and click through. There's some certain animations preloaded into here, as you can see. Pretty cool stuff. These are just what's preloaded in. And if you really want to, you can create your own, just like that. All 5 subscribe. I mean, Obviously, I'm not great at, when it comes to pixel art, that was about as good as it came, but you can actually create your own. So how do you do that? Well, you download its app. So it comes with its own dedicated app that's free to download on Android and iOS. You make sure that it's connected to the device, which it is. Absolutely perfect. Now on this app, if I move the speaker away, now on this app, you've got radio as well, so you can literally listen to any radio you want, local radio, so forth. You got the little pixel art gallery here. So these are actual pixel art that people have created. You know, all sorts of different stuff. You can create your own if you want, so you can go ahead, you can do animation. If you want to give that a shot, you can do design or text editor. So for design, you can quite literally just start drawing. So pick a color, pick white here. And I'm going to go and try and draw a face. Now, don't laugh at me because I'm not very good at art. That's about as good as my face drawing is. I could probably do a bit better if I spent a bit more time, but you get the idea. And if you look on the screen, whatever I'm doing here straight away comes up on the screen here. That's really cool. And, you know, you can play around with colors and play around with colors, do what you like, and so forth. So you can actually create your own art to appear on the speaker. That's quite a cool little feature. You can also do text. That's how I made the all 5 text before, and animation, which is basically the same thing except you're actually creating frame by frame different animations. Now that's going to take quite a while for me to actually do, so I won't show it here, me attempting to do it in the video. But you know, you can see what other people have created. These people are far more talented than me when it comes to any type of animation. You can load these straight up to the Ditoo or Ditoo, I'm not entirely sure how it's said. I'm going to say Ditoo. Really cool. But what else can you do? So you got channel, you got clock, so the time, you can adjust the brightness, lighting, you can adjust how you want the light to be. So if I click on, so I can literally adjust different light color. So this can work as an alarm clock as well in the morning. And you can, you know, if you want to wake up with a nice blue lighting, you can select it. There's so many different things you can select. I mean, this app is really extensive. Different types of clocks as well, how you want it to display. You got all the different types, as you can see. All these different effects. Look at that. That's quite cool. That's really cool, I like that. So you've got loads of different effects you can run through, you know, you'll be able to display them all. Visualizer. That's quite cool. Little man surfing, or you can make a custom one as well. So that's the clock area. And then you've got the discover part. Now this part, you have something called DJ Mixer. So this is quite literally, if you want to be a bit of a DJ, you've got all these different drums, basses, loops, synths, and so forth. So you can just, and then you can, you know, plop in a bass or whatever. Probably not a good bass. Try something else. You can just play around with it, try be your own little DJ, you know. What that is. You get the idea. Probably good to start maybe with just some percussion. You get the idea though. And you know, you even got a piano. You know, little mini piano. That's all I know what to play on a piano. different instruments you can play around with, you know, drums, guitars, saxophones and all sorts, and percussions, and so forth. And you can actually record, you know, these little loops and actually make a full song out of it if you really wanted to. So it has a lot that you can play around with. You've got voice memos as well. So hold to record. Hello, this is just a test. This is a test of the voice memo. Hello, this is just a test. This is a test of the voice memo. Playback speed, let's try that. So you can do different, I think it's got voice changes. Look, I think there's a female. This is a test of the voice changer.
This is a test of the voice changer.
And a baby as well. I'm a baby, I'm a baby.
I'm a baby, I'm a baby.
And a robot. I'm a robot. Well, actually, no, I can't pretend to do a robot voice if it's going to make my voice into a robot.
I'm a robot. Well, actually, no, I can't pretend to do a robot voice if it's going to make my voice into a robot.
And I think it's just adult man. This is just adult man test.
Man, this is just adult man test.
That sounds great. So, you know, voice memo. You also got a chat function where you can chat to other people within the community as well. So you would have to friend them first, and you know, and so forth. And then you can chat. An alarm. So as I said before, it works as an alarm clock too. So, you know, keep it by your bedside table, and it will wake you up. Sleep time. This is basically used when it's time to sleep. You know, to help you nod off. To help that insomnia, you can do different sort of sounds, so seashore. And you can run it for 10 minutes, you know, and then once 10 minutes is done, hopefully you'll be nicely sleeping, and it will switch itself off. Or, you know, however long it takes. You can play with the different colours, you can play with the brightness, the sound volume, of course. Well, that's quite nice. Oh, well, that's great. Yeah, that would actually make me fall asleep. Just a nice meditation. That thunder. Thunder would help as well, which is kind of strange if you think about it. Why does thunder help people fall asleep? I don't know. But yeah, you got all different type of things, you know, to help you sleep. You got a planner as well, so you can add stuff to the planner. You get the idea, so you can, I don't know, pick up milk or whatever it is, repeat every Monday, basically just a planner, and it will display on there. You got a game as well, so you can play like a Tetris type game, which is quite cool. Different type of games as well, so you got Pixel Tetris, Pixel Slot, Pixel Dice, Magic 8 Box, Astro Battle, Flappy Wings, that's quite cool. Flappy Wings, Pixel Snake, Pixel Race, Block Eliminator. So you've got a few different games you can play on the screen here. Stopwatch as well. Celebration days. So you can add your birthday, friends and family's birthday, and so forth, so you never forget. Ooh. Countdown meter. So, you know, let's start. And it will do a countdown. So you can set time, you know, 1 minute. And it will do a countdown. So countdown meter, noise meter as well. So let's try this. So a noise meter. So this is a noise meter right now. So if I speak very quietly, you can see the decibels it's recording. But if I speak really loudly, all of a sudden, you can try different decibels. Let's try this. That's brilliant. So yeah, you get the idea. Scoreboard as well, so you know, if you guys are playing a game, or you can keep track of the score. Oop, I had the countdown meter on. And that's, yep, got it. Notifications as well, so you can actually pair up with Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, you know, your phone, WhatsApp, text, Skype, all these different apps. You can pair it up, and every time, you know, you get a notification on there, it will pop up on there as well. So pretty cool too. And finally, weather. So it tells you that basically the weather that's coming up. Yeah, just basically tells you the weather. So as you can see here, it's telling me right now a bit cloudy, you know, in the city. It's 19 degrees, so it's just gonna keep the weather running basically. So it's a nice little standby screen. And that is pretty much all of it. So as you can see, it's quite an extensive Bluetooth speaker. It shouldn't really even be called a Bluetooth speaker, but as a speaker, it works fantastically well. What can I say? What can I say about this Bluetooth speaker slash pixel art slash all sorts of different thing, game box, I don't know what the hell you want to call it. It's fantastically made. That's the first thing you'll notice right away. It's hard to display how well the build quality is, but believe me, it's got a really good weight to it. The plastics, you can hear, they're solid. It's not hollow, it's a solid piece, you know? The button's got these lovely clicky feel to it. I mean, hear that. Absolutely lovely. The screen is fantastic, really bright, really vibrant. It's got these cool animations you can create. You know, there's lots of fun to be had with it. I think a lot of people are going to absolutely love this speaker because it's more than just a speaker. It's kind of a conversation starter. People are like, oh, what is this retro looking thing you have that's all modern but retro? And you know, you can show them the app, and it's really damn cool. I really like it. Now I believe this is going live on Indiegogo, so go ahead, I'm going to leave a link to it in the description. Go ahead, support the project. It's a really cool idea, I love it. Go ahead, get yourself one, because the sound quality, everything is high quality about it, and that's what I like. It's well made, really good top-notch quality. That's all I can pretty much say for it. Big thumbs up for me, 10 out of 10. I'd also like to thank Divoom for sending me this review unit right here. It's absolutely fantastic. It'll definitely have a place probably in my bedroom. I'm definitely gonna have a place for it next to my bedside table, or on my bedside table. Because, you know, I absolutely love this thing. It's really fantastic. So yeah, if you haven't yet subscribed, do hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification button so you never miss any of my new uploads. I've got a lot more stuff to test, unbox and review, so go ahead, stick around. I'm sure you'll find something that you'll be interested in. If you'd like to watch any of my older videos, I've reviewed all sorts of weird stuff. So go ahead, there should be a playlist right next to me on either side where you can check out all my different unboxing videos. But once again guys, thank you for watching, and until next time, feed your mind.